So in this module, we'll be learning about what checksum is all about. Basically, checksum is a computer networking concept which is used for error detection and for making sure that the data that has been forwarded from the sender to the receiver, is it having any fault or not? Okay. So basically, as the name suggests, that it has something to do with sum in it. So basically, we'll be going ahead with the basic thing, and then we'll be solving the checksum from the receivers, from the sender's point of view, and then the next time, in the next module, we'll be solving it from the receiver's point of view. So now that we are starting with the receiver's point of view, so yeah, so this is basically what I was saying. Okay, so now, what is checksum? Checksum is nothing but check plus sum. So we are just summing the binary numbers, and then we'll be checking if the sender's part or the sender's side, is it received from the receiver side. So basically, what does the sender's side do? It creates the checksum, and the receiver side, it it uh, it basically, it receives, it validates this receiver side. So yeah, this is the basic output. So with that, now we can see that first we'll be going with the side. So what will we do with the checksum thing from the sender side? First, we'll break the original message into k number of blocks. Okay, so the message that we are getting, for example, if this is our sender's data. Okay, so now we'll be uh, so now we will be cutting it into a k number of size, which is into four parts. So basically, we are cutting this thing into four parts out here. Okay, so yeah, the second part is that we will be summing all the k data blocks. So we'll be summing all the k data blocks. Okay, and then we'll be carrying the sum, and then we'll be carrying the sum if there is any, and then we'll be going ahead with the calculations of binary numbers. And then after that, we'll be doing the ones complement from the final answer that we are getting, and that is going to be our checksum. So let's just get, okay, so this is the pictorial form of that. So basically, what is happening out here is there is a section out here, and then we are dividing it into n number of bits, and then this n number of bits are again going to get into section 1, sections and section k. And well, this is the thing that we are be going from this sender side. Once we have all the checksum out here, we will be sending this to the receiver's part. And then in the receiver's part, what the receiver's part is going to do, it is the opposite of what sender is doing. That is basically, it will senders will receiver will get the n number of n bits of whatever it is sending, and then it will just come into one of the sum. It will just have one final output as our receivers. And once receiver makes sure that there are no errors from the sender side, it will just accept it. So yeah. Now we'll be going with the problems. These are problem right here. So, okay, so basically, what we'll be doing is, this is the data that we are having right here. Now basically, with this thing, we'll be seeing that we have calculated it into four different parts. Now with this, we'll be going ahead. uh, Now we have our four parts. So what we'll be doing is, now here we'll be summing up to this. Okay, so basically, we have four here. So now that we are, so 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, which is basically, we know that it is 1. And so this will, here only 1 will come. With that, 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0, which is basically the right thing part of it. So the whose 1 will come here. So I'll just let you know the answer. Yeah, so basically, what here. And now, two ones and two zeros, basically, of course, we know that 1 and 1 is 0, and 0 0 is also 0, so it will just sum up to 0. And so it will just carry 1 out here. But then three zeros and 1 2 is also 0, so it will again carry 1 out here. So 0 plus 0 0, so 1 plus 1 is 1 and 0, so it will just 0 here, and we'll carry 1 0 here. Accordingly, we'll just carry on the things out, so we get this thing as our answer out here. So now that we have this, now we'll carry the 1, because we can see here that 1 is being, so 1 is being here. So we'll just carry these things out again. We'll just again you can say, sum it with the final answer. Okay, so basically, we are doing this thing. So yeah, so basically, we are carrying out 1 and 0 out here, because 1 and 0 were extra out there, because we had carried the things out. So now we'll be just having, again, we'll be sum pairing it again. So with this, we can get this answer, which is 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, with basic binary calculations, we get this. Okay, and now after that we have got this, we'll do the ones complement of this. So yeah, so basically after one's complement, what is one's complement? We are basically if it is one, we are doing it zero. If it is zero, it is we are just doing it one. In the binary, because in binary language there was only two bits, that is one and zero. So yeah, so basically we are just, and this what we have is checksum out here, and this checksum will be sent to the receiver, and there it will be carrying out with the all the validation and thing. So yeah, this is all from the sender side. In the next model, we'll be looking into the receiver side. Thank you.